Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making all-in-one masala, red chilli masala for veg and non-veg. You guys no need to buy unnecessary masalas from market. Try these kind of recipes. Preservative-free recipe. You can store up to 3 months. Kashmiri chilli 50 grams. Red chilli 50 grams. Dry roast for 2 minutes. Don't need to change color. Now it's crispy. Make fine powder. Now it's ready. In a saucepan, cloves to 20 grams, green cardamom 20 grams, blackstone flour 10 grams, mace 10 grams, star anise 10 grams, cinnamon 10 grams, coriander seeds 20 grams, shazira 10 grams, dry roast all ingredients for 2 minutes on low heat. Cumin 10 grams, sesame seeds 20 grams, black or white anything, poppy seeds 20 grams, dry roast for 2 minutes on medium heat. Make fine powder. Now it's ready. With the help of strainer, strain the powder to make fine powder. Now it's ready. Store in 8 container up to 3 months. Homemade red chilli masala is ready. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.